Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Germany became so powerful. After World War II, Germany faced widespread devastation, with cities in ruins and industrial output severely reduced. However, through a remarkable period known as the Wirtschaftswunder, or economic miracle, the nation experienced a swift and effective recovery. This resurgence was driven by crucial currency reforms, significant international aid, and a determined, skilled workforce. These foundational elements set the stage for Germany's impressive journey to global influence. Germany's economic strength is rooted in its robust industrial sector. It stands as Europe's largest manufacturing economy, contributing approximately one-third of all manufacturing across the continent. The nation is also a leading global exporter, with key goods including high-quality vehicles, precision machinery, and advanced chemical products. A significant factor in this success is the Mittelstand, a network of highly specialized small and medium-sized enterprises that form the resilient backbone of the German economy. Innovation is a cornerstone of Germany's power, with the country consistently ranking among the top global innovators. Its strong commitment to research and development, with significant investment, fuels continuous technological advancements across various industries. Furthermore, as a founding member of the European Union, Germany wields substantial political influence. It plays a pivotal role in shaping European policies and promoting integration, acting as a key driver of stability and cooperation within the continent. Looking ahead, Germany faces important challenges, including an aging population and the ongoing need for digitalization across its economy. To sustain its powerful position, continued investment in cutting-edge green technologies and fostering a highly skilled workforce are absolutely vital. These efforts will ensure Germany remains competitive and innovative on the global stage. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.